So fast forward a couple of years, and now it's like what, May of 2022. I have this idea and I try to execute it inside Photoshop. And this was the first thing that I made back in May. Then came the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, seventh, and so forth and so on. So I guess I'm kind of glad I decided to give Photoshop a try. But for me, it all started back in 2014, back at my show boys, when this senior that I had named Suilanji gave me Photoshop and showed me the amazing, awesome things that he was creating and had made. My goodness. I didn't really pick it up there and then. I guess a final push came when Pashane back in 2017 gave me Photoshop and a couple of videos. But all in all, I guess you don't really know what will pay off, what skill will pay off. And even if it doesn't, it won't hurt having different skills added to your skill set. So all in all, I guess I'm pretty grateful for that.